Hello, my crafty friends. It's Ellie from Periwinkle Matilda, and I'm here to do a quick flip through for purposes of my Etsy listings for a brand new Christmas kit. It's called Christmas Kittens. It's really cute. I think you're going to love it. It's very cheerful and bright. And there are 12 journal pages. That is one kit. And then the add-on kit is the ephemera, and that is 11 pages of ephemera. So let me do the flip through of the pages. Okay, so those are the journal pages, and now I will do a quick flip through of the ephemera. Belly bands, bookmarks, a file folder, fussy cuts, tickets, tabs, and then all kinds of fussy cut images. Triple pocket. You can either use them as 3 separate envelopes or 3 separate pockets, or you can stack them to make a triple pocket. Some more pockets. Some tags and pockets and some fussy cuts. Smaller tags, bigger tags, journaling cards, envelopes, and I apologize, this one is a journal page from the journal page kit, so I did it in the wrong order, but you get the gist. Really cute Christmas kit that you will find a link for both the kits down below in the description. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.